In the depths of the digital age, one story stands out, a tale of ambition, curiosity, and an unyielding quest for revealing truth. This is a hacker who evokes both admiration as well as controversy. Born on February 10, 1966, in London, England, Gary Mckinnon was a bright child with a passion for computers, a passion that would lead him down an adventurous path of thrill and danger. From an early age, Mckinnon was captivated by the mysteries of technology. He began his journey in the early 1980s, exploring the inner workings of computer systems and developing a fascination with the internet, as it was still very new in its early stages. A self-taught hacker, combined with his attraction to the idea of uncovering hidden truths, particularly those related to extraterrestrial life and classified government secrets. In 2001, fueled by a desire to expose what he believed were government cover-ups regarding UFOs and advanced technologies, Mckinnon embarked on a hacking spree that would change his life forever. Using simple, yet effective tools, he targeted the United States military and NASA computer systems, gaining unauthorized access to some of the most sensitive databases in the world. Mckinnon's specific cyber weapon of choice were NetBus and back orifice. These are remote access Trojans, a type of malicious software that allows the user to remotely control a victim's computer or network. Along with this technique, to further enhance his ability, he used password cracking software, enabling him to guess or brute force his way into his target's accounts. He often targeted systems that had default or weak passwords, a common mistake made by users that made his intrusions alarmingly easy. With a sense of purpose, he infiltrated over 90 computer systems, navigating firewalls and security protocols with remarkable skill. His persistence paid off when he discovered what he believed to be evidence of UFO cover-ups, including photographs and documents that hinted at the existence of advanced technology in spacecrafts. Mckinnon's most famous hack involving UFOs was when he gained access of the United States Navy database, where he found images of unidentified flying objects and information about a secret technology specifically concerning anti-gravity. But with great discovery came great risk. In 2002, his actions drew the attention of United States authorities, and he became the target of an extensive investigation. Mckinnon was accused of causing significant damage to military systems, with estimates of damages reaching into the millions. His hacking spree, initially driven by a sense of curiosity and a desire to reveal hidden truths, had turned into a nightmare. The United States government sought his extradition, viewing him as a dangerous cybercriminal. Mckinnon's case sparked an international debate about hacking, security, and the ethical implications of revealing state secrets. His legal struggle gained support from advocates who argued that his actions were motivated by a sincere desire to uncover the truth, not to cause harm. As the legal battle raged on, Mckinnon faced immense pressure. He struggled with anxiety and depression, fearing the possibility of being sent to the United States for trial. There was a lot of excitement in the media surrounding his case at the time, painting him as a modern-day Robin Hood, a digital vigilante fighting against the establishment. His story became emblematic of the growing tensions between government secrecy and public demand for transparency. In 2012, after a decade of legal wrangling, British Home Secretary Theresa May announced that Mckinnon would not be extradited to the United States, citing his severe health issues. This decision was met with relief from his supporters and marked a clear, significant victory in his long battle against extradition. In the years since, Mckinnon has turned his experiences into a platform for advocacy, speaking about cybersecurity and the importance of transparency in government. His actions, once viewed through the lens of criminality, have become a part of a larger conversation about the responsibility of individuals in the world of technology. Gary Mckinnon, a name that once incited fear and debate, now stands for resilience and the enduring quest for truth in a world shrouded in secrecy. His story reminds us that the line between hero and villain can often blur in the realm of technology, where the pursuit of knowledge can lead to enlightenment and/or danger. In the end, Gary's life is not just about hacking. It's about the relentless pursuit of truth, the struggle for transparency, and the understanding of the profound impact of technology in the digital age. For more notorious hacker stories and all things tech, like and subscribe, leave a comment below. Use the link in the description to donate.